Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Bob here. Really appreciate you stopping by. So got a bunch of fun stuff for you guys today. Hopefully you caught the video, but about a week and a half ago I announced I'd be doing a giveaway of a brand new AV8 watch and probably my favorite from them so far. Today's the day. Stick around to the end of the video and we're going to be drawing the winner of the watch. Also, the other day I was shopping around on Amazon and I was looking for an affordable EDC trio, so a flashlight, a knife, and a pen, and I found a nice little stainless steel trio of items, and we're going to be doing an unboxing of those as well as a watch that came in the very same day, which was yesterday. This is from a brand new company. They've got a pretty cool chronograph, and I think they might have a winner on their hands. We'll see when we get into it, but let's get to the unboxings. Okay, so we will start with this box. I believe this one has 2 items in it, but I'm not 100% on that. Okay. So first up, you can probably see from the back of the packaging is a mag light. I actually had this exact same one, only in black, and it went missing about a year or so ago, so I thought it was a really good light. I'll open up the packaging here in a second, take a look at it, get the batteries in there, and next up is a little Victorinox. This is the Spartan, I believe it's called. It's got a knife, it's got a corkscrew, toothpick. Get one of the knives open here and maybe we'll open up the rest of the packages with it. So I got all the gadgets open except for the toothpick here. I wasn't aware, but this has actually got kind of a plastic or a resin coating. I'm sure it's going to hold up well, it being a Victorinox. They're pretty durable, but I mostly wanted this for the knife. I'll use the corkscrew occasionally and maybe the screwdrivers, but mostly about the knife, and the bottle opener, of course, in the summertime is always handy. So we'll fold these all down and take a look at the next package. Before I get ahead of myself, I forgot I should show you the flashlight, the mag light, out of the packaging. And I have a whole bunch of very small flashlights that are perfect for the pocket. This will fit in the pocket too, but I was looking for something with a little bit more substance to it, a little bit beefier. There's 3 modes, and I'm just reading off the package here, but 1 click, high power, 2, 25%, and 3 is an emergency strobe. So it feels like a solid flashlight. Mag lights typically are, and again, very good prices on them too. Alright, so we've got the flashlight, we've got the pen, we are just missing something to write with. The knife went through the paper very easily, so nice and sharp, straight out of box. The pen. Inside we have a Parker pen. I actually have a couple of Parker pens, but not one quite like this. We got some instructions, probably some warranty information. Then the pen itself. This is the Vector, and it's a fountain pen. I dabbled in fountain pens just very slightly a few years ago. I even recently had one of the, I think they're made by Pilot, they're a disposable fountain pen, and I enjoyed that, so I wanted to go 1 notch up. This is still entry level. I believe I'm going to have to fill the ink. There's a little ink cartridge there. I'm very much a rookie when it comes to fountain pens, so if anybody's an expert out there, I am definitely not one of those. I think what I'll do is I'll read the instructions and we'll get the pen loaded up. Alright, so that was fairly easy to put the cartridge in. Give it a little test. Seems to write nice. It writes nice, but it feels sturdy too. Even putting the cap on, I just noticed putting it on for the first time. There's a nice little snap to it and it feels solid. So I got a pretty big mess here I need to clean up, and then we will get to the watch. Okay, so everything is cleaned up and we're down to our last package here. So this is the company name you're going to see, Monsieur, and you may have seen these on Instagram. If you're on Instagram, they've been all over the place lately there, but we'll get into it. Looks like a genuine leather case, which is nice. It doesn't seem to be a faux leather. And there it is. Now there's a couple of possibilities with this watch because they do a mechanical and a quartz version. You can see already this is a Panda dial, and they also do Panda, a reverse Panda, and then I think a black with silver subdials. They may even do a white with silver subdials, but there's a few variations of the watch. Come on now. It is a nice looking watch, that's for sure. I'm trying to see. I'm just looking here to see if this is the quartz or the mechanical. The mechanicals are a seagull movement, I believe. The quartz, I'm not sure if they are a Seiko or what they are, but I'm just noticing here, see that there is a little white tab under the crown. So that is a good indicator we have a quartz movement. So let me just pull that out. So I pulled the tab out and I was worried for just a second that the battery may be dead, but there is no running seconds on this watch. As soon as I fired the chronograph up, it started moving away there. And it's a nice looking watch, there's no doubt about that. Seems like a good leather strap on it, a good match for it too. And Panda dials, I'm always a big fan of a Panda dial watch, and particularly ones that are laid out right. And I can say that this one is. I like the position and size of the sub dials. So let me give you guys a little look on wrist, and then we'll get to the draw for the AV8. And here is the Monsieur on my 7 1/4 inch wrist. Looks good on the rally strap. Size is really nice. I'm guessing this is a 38 or maybe a 39 millimeter watch. I can't remember off the top of my head the pricing on these. I do know that they're quite affordable, but we'll get to that, the specifications, in a future video here in the next few days. Overall, really nice looking watch though, and I always love a Panda dial, so that's nice too. But to the giveaway of the beautiful blue AV8, I did the draw a few minutes ago before I started filming today, and I'll put it up on screen now, but the winner of the watch is Elmo Elms, so huge congratulations. I'm sure you're going to really enjoy this one. I have to thank everybody for entering. Look out for another giveaway. I actually have another watch from AV8 that's another winner, another really nice one on a nice bracelet coming in, and I think I'll be doing a giveaway on that one here very soon too, so keep an eye out. Thanks so much for you guys for stopping by. Really appreciate it. Be safe out there, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.